Hey guys, so today I am going to be showing you how to turn on a Hisense TV if you do not have your remote control. Now, what you're gonna have to do is go to the left underneath this red light, as you can see right here. Go ahead and push that. It's gonna turn blue and the TV will now turn on. Now, I'm currently in Shanghai, China for work, so it's gonna be Chinese writing. But if you're in the US or any English-speaking place, it's gonna be in English. And after you wait for the menu, if you hold down the button, wait, let's go ahead and wait. Okay, so now you're gonna see some options. It's not gonna be the full menu, but if I push the button, it will go to the volume, and I could turn off the TV again, which I will show you right now by just pushing this button. Once you hold it down, the TV will turn off. Hope that helps, guys.